Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a simple invoice for your business using Canva step by step. First, open your browser, then go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, create one for free. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, go to template section. Now, in the search bar, type invoice and hit enter. And here you will see thousands of invoice templates available. Now you can pick any design that suits your business, but make sure it's free if you don't have a Canva Pro account. Now, templates with the crown icon require a paid plan, so remember that. Now let's use a free template. Something like this. And all I have to do is select customize this template. Now this opens the Canva designer. Now inside this editor, there is the zoom slider to adjust your view. And you can select any text you want to edit. This is your text box, and you can replace any invoice number. Let me zoom it more. So if you want, you can replace this invoice number, the client name, or even the date, whatever you like. Just hover to it and the text will appear. All you have to do is just write down the number or text you want. Then if there is any logo here that you don't want, just all you have to do is select it, then hit the trash icon and it will delete. Now here, if you want to change the price number, you can also do, let's say I'm going to do it's $10. So if you do this in here, you have to change the total as well. So you can change any of this descriptions, unit prices, quantity. You can change whatever you like, and you can remove any extra row if you don't want. Even if you want an extra text, you can also add that. Then even if you like, here you can add your own payment details like your bank info, your payable. Just keep it clean and easy to read. So when you think your invoice is ready, all you have to do is click share, which is in the top right, and then click download. And all you have to do is select PDF. Once you select the format PDF, all you have to do is click download again. And that's how you download your invoice. It's pretty simple. Now your invoice is ready to send to your client or company wherever you like. That's it, a professional invoice made in just a few seconds. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorial, and let us know in the comment section if you want more Canva tips or not. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.